This is tutorial number 25, and it covers the Draft Expert feature within SOLIDWORks. Now we begin with the perfect cube like before, and let's click Draft, click Draft Expert. Now with the Draft Expert we're able to do multiple drafts at one time, so let's click the top plane as neutral plane, and then the items to draft, let's click all four sides. Now click OK, and we've drafted out all four sides. Now we're able to manipulate this. If we right click the draft, click Edit Feature, and we can make the angle 70 degrees. Click OK, and now it's drafted out 70 degrees on each face. With the Draft Expert compared to the manual version, you're able to do a lot more drafts at once. But again, with the manual version, you're able to be much more precise and you're able to manipulate it much more. And this concludes our tutorial on the Draft Expert.